Oh, welcome to Creating with Pretty Science. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn an image into a coloring page with one click, with only one click. This is not a Canva uh, program, but I'm going to show you what to use to do all this. Any image that you have, you can turn it into a coloring page right here in this app. Let's go there. The app I'm talking about is called coloringbook.ai. This is amazing. It's an amazing app. It will turn anything for you into a coloring page. Look here, we have free coloring pages, pictures, of different brand of coloring pages that you can find in here. But here you can also turn photo into coloring pages. Look at this. So this dog is here. You can pull it like so and you can pull it back. You see that dog? It's turned into a coloring page. You see that? This is amazing. So now I'm going to open a picture, bring a picture in here. And I'm going to turn this photo of mine into a coloring page. Generate coloring page now. Okay. I wanted to preserve the face. You can remove the background. I don't want to upscale. Let's see. I want to keep it private. Actually, I want only one picture, but you can choose two. I think you can choose more than each. You can choose a lot of them, but I'm going to choose one. Okay, and then I'll generate it. When you have premium, like when you sign up for it, you subscribe to the program, you can generate as many as you want. You can generate many coloring pages. Okay, here is my design. You see, I turn my photo into a coloring page. This is amazing. I know my nostrils, how they look. This. I love it. And then you can download it as a PDF or as a PNG. I'm going to download it as a PNG. So if I'm making like a coloring book, I can use this to do a coloring book. Let's go to the other one. Text to coloring page. You can type in your text in here and it will create a coloring page for you. For instance, a beautiful African American female sitting on a desk, writing in a journal, like journaling, journal, smiling, okay, with braided hair, braided hair. Yeah, let me have that. And then we're gonna generate a coloring page. Okay, here they ask what level. I'll put adults, and we want her in we want her in square. Really, 2 by 3 landscape. I'll have it in here. Okay. I want it to be private. I have a pro premium. So let's design it. Okay, look at them. They are gorgeous. They are gorgeous. Look at that. For a coloring book, if you're looking for coloring book material, this is it. Oh wow. Look at her, so beautiful. She's sitting on her desk and writing, journaling. I love that. Let's go to online coloring. Okay, this is kind of different. Look at this one too. So you can download them as a PNG or a PDF. If you're making a coloring book, you download it as a PNG. This is so amazing. So amazing. Amazing. Let's go to the next one. Let's go back here. Online coloring. Online coloring is when you have a coloring page and you want to color it online. For instance, you want to color this dog this color. Oh, you have to do this. Okay, that's nice. Oh, I love that. So you can use this for kids too. Online coloring. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see if we can color the ears. We can color the ears because let me see, it's open over here. Okay, online coloring. So you can come here and color those. Let's go to the bucket. Oh, the bucket will do it. I love that. Okay, okay, the body. Okay, that's nice. Let's do a purple nose. That's amazing. You can download it from here. Okay, and then you have the gallery. You have the gallery with all kinds of items that people created. So take advantage of this. Really, really take advantage of this. If you want to make a coloring book with pictures of your graduates, let's go there really quick. Let's see this graduate right here. Um, Generate coloring page. Let's go down here. We want to preserve the face. We want to remove the background. Let's go. We want it to be private. And then generate it. Okay, here we have her. Look at that. Look at that. This is the image and this is the and let's go down here. Let's click on it. Let's see. And then original. This is the original and this is the column bridge. Now we're gonna slide to compare. You see that? We can go this way and come this way. This is amazing. You need to try it. You need to try it. For instance, you're creating items for graduation for your customers. You can also tell them, I can create a graduation coloring book with photos of your graduate for you, like a keepsake. They will love it. And then you can use this coloring book AI app. It will do miracles for you. You can create coloring pages of your children, for instance, for birthdays, for wedding anniversary, for maybe also for memorial. But especially this graduation season, it's great to use your graduate as a model for coloring pages, for to create coloring pages or even a coloring book to celebrate them. Look at this. Look at this. Only upload your image, and then it will do the wonders for you. Really, 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 really. So you go to coloring book AI. Go to coloringbook.ai, and then you sign up. You sign up. You can start free, but you can sign up for the premium. You can upgrade your plan to premium. They are different here. Look at this. You can choose a monthly or like yearly. Monthly, it will be $9.99 a month, and you can create 10 coloring books or for less than the price of one. You can create coloring books for Amazon KDP. Don't play, really. You can create coloring books for your business, coloring books of your loved ones to celebrate them. That's a very, very great idea. And I think this is the first app that I've found where you can turn your image directly to a coloring page, your photo to a coloring page. This is amazing. You need to try it. And if you want to try it, I will leave a link below for you, affiliate link. You can sign up with my link, and then you can upgrade your plan and start creating. It's easy. It's easier than ever. Look at this. Like if you have this, you see that? You can turn it to a coloring page, like anything, especially with graduation season. Use this to create coloring pages for your graduates or for your business. Like if you have an order for graduation items, throw this into the bundle. Tell your customers, oh, I can turn your graduate into a coloring page so that we can celebrate them more. Okay? So go and get it. Coloringbook.ai. It's amazing. It's an amazing app. Don't miss out.